Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check and see what I bought from IPSY. So this is not the glam bag or BoxyCharm or anything. This is just an IPSY haul. They were doing a sale and I got an email and I got some stuff. So if you are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave a link below, but they do subscriptions as well as once you have subscribed and have an account, even if you're not currently a subscriber, you can still shop the shops. So, ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I remember some of the stuff I got and I couldn't remember the rest of the stuff I got. So I got a bunch. I will have to go back to my order and post in the corner what the cost of each thing was and tell you my sad lament of not getting everything I wanted. And I apologize for the lighting. I just got home from work and this was in the mail and I wanted to do the video real quick, so I didn't want to switch out of my glasses into my contacts. I did just pick up new contacts today, so fingers crossed they work and I can wear them all the time. Don't have to wear my glasses anymore, but I will find that out tomorrow. So the first thing I got is the Glowish by Huda Beauty, and this is, I'm still trying to find the perfect shade from them, and this one is called Light Medium. Can't remember the last shade I got. If it was also light medium, I just need to quit buying the same thing. Okay, this one looks a little lighter, so I'm not going to open it in case it is the exact same shade I have. I will just find a new home for it. But I think I paid $10 for this, so I'll put it in the corner. My next thing I got was Krista needed an eyeliner. She wanted a felt tip eyeliner. So this one is from, I don't even remember. It just says liquid eyeliner. Me to you, NYC. Me to you, NYC. So she wanted a felt tip eyeliner, not a crayon and not like a paintbrush liquid, but a felt tip. So this is this one. And so it is, I will test it for her. No, that is a solid line. There's no feathering, nothing weird on that. She's gonna like it, and it is in black. And I think this was like $6 also, but I'll put it in the corner and let you see. Okay, the next thing. So the reason I even shopped this shop was I got a note, an email or whatever that said Barbie. And all you gotta do is say Barbie and I wanna see what's up. So there was like 6 or 8 different Barbie products that they were offering. I waited too long and I missed out on a couple that I really wanted. But I'm gonna show you what I got. The first one, and Kristen each wanted one of these, so we got 2 little Barbie lip glosses. And this was the only shade they had left, and I didn't know it was kind of an iridescent pink. I knew it was pink, but I thought it was a light pink. But it's an iridescent pink, and they are taped shut, so I'm going to slice it open. And this is a Barbie collaboration with Beauty Creations. So there was actually 2 different sets of these lip glosses with 2 different colors in each set, so a total of 4 different ones. By the time we ordered, there was literally this one. And they had different charms on them, which was super cute. And they're actually bigger than I thought. But look, they came with little charms. This has a little rainbow and a little Barbie heart. The other one, I think, had sunglasses, and we didn't get it. And this is called Dreamer, and it's a shimmer lip oil. And it's got a nice big doe foot. And it's just basically a clear shimmery lip gloss. It does have some glitter to it and a little bit of pink sheen. But we just had to have it because it was Barbie and it's cute. So we each got one of those. Ooh, it smells fruity. The other thing I got was the Barbie Future is Bright. And this is a satin finish pearlescent glow setting powder. And I didn't really need a setting powder, but you don't gotta really need a setting powder when they have a Barbie one. And so I went ahead and picked it up. And it's so cute. Look, it has Barbie on the front. And you see how it's that metallic, it's so pretty, metallic pink, and it says Barbie. And this one is so cute. I love it. And it is just a square open up, and it has where you can use your brush or pull, use a puff. It doesn't come with a puff. I don't need a puff. I don't care to get puffs in these. I just use my brush. But a really pretty setting powder. And it's got the tiniest little bit of a pink hue to it, but it's basically just a translucent powder. So that was my IPSY haul for this round. I don't often do off-bag IPSY shopping. Actually, I canceled my glam bag subscription. It was now like $17. I don't need any more bags. I'm good with bags. I wasn't really getting products that I loved every month, so I went ahead and canceled it. So instead of using my IPSY subscription money for the subscription bags, I'm shopping the hauls. So I'm very happy with my little pick. I think I paid around 30 something dollars for everything that I got. I'll put it in the corner. So I like it. I hope you did too. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.